first stop is It's Sugar, Connie's favorite store at City Walk in Universal Studios, or we should say adjacent to Universal Studios. Not only do they have a huge selection, but they have a really fun wall of candy trivia and history. And they also have a really interesting display of the jelly bellies that have been turned into characters from The Wizard of Oz. I can't even imagine how much time that took. Connie has her selection of treats, and we are walking down the pathway. This is sort of the middle of the City Walk, and you will find all kinds of restaurants, places to sit and have a beer, watch a game, perhaps a nicer lounge. There are some high-end restaurants and some snack-type restaurants. If you don't want to eat inside Universal Studios, I'm sure you will find something to your liking, whether it's fancy or casual. This would be our choice.
Welcome to TOOTHSOME Chocolate Emporium. We do have the patio available. That is a bar section here. You have to zoom there to make sure it's And this is just for only dessert and sundae. If you want some milkshakes, dessert and sundaes. And then we have the foods. And this is the drink menu. If you want to be at TOOTHSOME Chocolate Emporium to have a great food, amazing time, I invite you guys. Welcome.
That guy was the most phenomenal host I have seen in a long time. He was terrific and very inviting, adorable, and a perfect choice to put in front of their restaurant. This steampunk style chocolate, it wasn't really Willy Wonka, but it was giving Willy Wonka vibes. What a fun place, and a perfect place for a celebration. We decided we would come back for that event and just keep on walking and see what else was here. As I said, there's a lot of shops, there's retail, there are restaurants, sporting stores, and hello, kitty, just a little bit of everything for your trip to Los Angeles. Now at night, everything comes to life. It's beautiful, but it's crowded because the park was closing at 7. All of those people are now at the City Walk. I think it's time to go. Hey, hope this was helpful. Thumbs up if you liked it. See you next week.